Number 1. Alpor. Meeting Alpor, a foam insulation board, as recommended by the manufacturer, offers an excellent solution for various applications, such as installing them between rafters. These boards not only provide effective warmth during winter, but also help maintain a cool indoor environment in the summer, offering reliable heat protection. Alpor surpasses mineral wool in effectiveness, even when they have the same heat transfer coefficient. In fact, Alpor boards can be significantly thinner, around 8 to 10 centimeters less compared to many similar products. Moreover, these boards possess the breathable qualities of spruce wood, which helps prevent excess moisture. Notably, Alpor boards are exceptionally safe to handle, eliminating the need for masks and gloves, and they don't release harmful substances like phenol, making them a suitable choice for individuals with allergies. Number 2. Moduleska. Now let's delve into an innovative stair construction system called Moduleska. What stands out the most is its remarkable speed, as skilled workers can complete the installation of an entire staircase in just half a day. Moduleska is also renowned for its reliability, with each system unit capable of supporting loads of up to 6 tons and enduring temperatures ranging from 70 to -20 degrees Celsius. Not only does the system excel in functionality, but it also upholds an impressive design aesthetic. You have the flexibility to enhance Moduleska blocks with natural stone tiles or wood, allowing for a customized look. These stair blocks of the future are meticulously crafted from polypropylene and fortified with fiberglass. The cost of a single Moduleska block, measuring 93 centimeters wide, is $66. Number 3. SAM Kit. Now let's explore the SAM Kit, a convenient tool designed for individuals who wish to incorporate adjustable blades into their pergolas and vase bows. With the SAM Kit, you can easily enable the blades to rotate, similar to the Modula system. Crafted from fiberglass reinforced polymer, the SAM Kit is renowned for its adaptability, making it a significant asset. This kit is suitable for both manually operated and automated blades, and it can even accommodate metal blades up to 2 meters in length. The SAM Kit, designed for installing 5 slats, is available for $37. Number 4. NextBase. Introducing NextBase, an innovative panel system tailored for the seamless installation of pavers, tiles, and various other surface materials. These panels, each measuring 55 by 109 centimeters, are impressively lightweight at just 572 grams. This not only reduces the demand for paving materials, but also diminishes the extent of earthwork required. NextBase offers a significant advantage by streamlining the toolset required, as it can be effortlessly divided into sections, akin to breaking a chocolate bar. Connecting the panels is a quick and straightforward process, allowing workers to enhance their productivity without compromising on quality. Moreover, NextBase panels incorporate a drainage system with strategically placed holes and channels, ensuring efficient water drainage and management. This versatile solution is engineered to revolutionize surface installation. Number 5. Schluter Dytra. A waterproofing membrane meticulously crafted for the specific purpose of accommodating tiles and slabs. Dytra serves to mitigate the risk of cracking, and its adaptability extends to a wide array of surfaces, including gypsum, concrete, wood, and more. Furthermore, it can be effectively utilized for the installation of underfloor heating systems when the need arises. From a technical perspective, Dytra boasts a sandwich-like structure comprising 2 layers of felt and polypropylene with a thickness of 3.5 millimeters. This construction facilitates the seamless creation of transitions between distinct surfaces, enhancing the versatility of the product. A standard 30-meter roll of Dytra is readily available for approximately $770. Number 6. Heartfelt. Let's discuss the effectiveness of sound-absorbing ceilings. These are not only a popular choice in recording studios, but also find applications in diverse settings such as conference halls, shopping centers, coffee shops, and more. Consider Heartfelt as an example. Their ceiling solutions not only enhance the ambience, but also play a pivotal role in sound management. These ceilings are available in modular form, allowing you to select them based on the manufacturer's specified absorption of specific frequencies. Heartfelt panels are typically constructed from felt, ensuring ease of installation, resistance to dust and dirt, and full recyclability once they have served their purpose. These panels boast a thickness of up to 105 millimeters and come in lengths of 6 meters. Number 7. Stoneware ventilated faced. Curtain-type ventilated facades constructed from porcelain stoneware may exude luxury, but their immense popularity is evident through the extensive 41-page catalog. The manufacturer asserts that these facades exhibit remarkable durability against dirt, frost, fire, graffiti, smog, scratches, and even acid rain, rendering them suitable for a wide range of residential and commercial buildings. Notably, the dimensions of these facades are equally remarkable, featuring porcelain stoneware slabs measuring 1.2 by 2.4 meters. Employing these slabs for finishing can significantly enhance the building's value, both from an architectural and financial standpoint. Naturally, the company offers a comprehensive package encompassing all aspects from design to installation. Number 8. Brica Wood. Brica Wood offers an innovative solution, taking inspiration from Lego, with wooden bricks designed for building houses without the necessity of nails, self-tapping screws, glue, or any other fasteners. The key to their ingenuity lies in a clever interlocking system. Brica Wood is confident in the exceptional sound and heat insulation properties of these bricks, a result of 13 years of dedicated development and the acquisition of numerous patents. These remarkable bricks are available for purchase in a self-assembly kit, complete with instructions, akin to the Lego experience. The approximate cost for a one-story house kit is $1,583 per square meter. Number 9. Prinz Waterproofing. Prinz Technology offers a groundbreaking solution for installing drainage and waterproofing in previously inaccessible areas. PRC underscores the potential consequences of water-related issues, such as excess moisture, mold, fungi, salt erosion, and various other problems, when left unattended. Over time, these issues can inflict substantial damage on the foundation. This is why Prinz experts employ specialized equipment to create openings, like the ones you see here. Subsequently, they insert drainage and waterproofing components to address any voids or defects. A unique solution is injected at a pressure ranging from 4 to 5 bar. When it comes to renovating a 20 square meter room with walls that are 50 centimeters thick, skilled craftsmen can efficiently complete the task in just 3. Number 10. Breeze Block Production. To conclude this video, let's delve into the manufacturing process of breeze blocks. Typically, these blocks are crafted from a blend of recycled materials, including ash, sand, boiler slag, concrete chips, and occasionally sawdust. This mixture is combined with concrete and subsequently molded into blocks. Craftsmen have the flexibility to produce both hollow and solid blocks by utilizing various molds. Employing a vibratory machine at the production site can efficiently yield more than 100 blocks during a single work shift.